Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, and I would like to welcome you in today's class. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to do the remaining activities of lesson number 7. Already in previous class, we have completed the story and the question answer of lesson number 7. Now the remaining activities are left, that is vocabulary, fill in the blanks, discussion and the memorization quotation. So this all the remaining activities in today's class we are going to complete. So let's begin the class. So here at the beginning we are going to discuss some of the vocabularies which is mentioned in your vocabulary section. So let's begin. The first word is the selflessly. What is the meaning of selflessly? The meaning of selflessly is that in selfless manner. If any person is doing any work in selfless manner, that without any benefit, okay, so that is called selflessly. Now the next word, it is accomplished. What is the meaning of accomplished? The meaning of accomplished is the effected, okay, or effected, or we can say that effective. Now the next word, it is gratitude. What is the meaning of gratitude? The meaning of gratitude is the state of being grateful. If you are being grateful, so that state, it is known as the gratitude. Next word, it is disagreeable. Disagreeable means not agreeable, means if anything is not agreeable, so that is called the disagreeable. And the next word, it is that convinced. The meaning of convinced is that a state of believing, that is called convinced. So these are the some vocabularies which is mentioned in your vocabulary section. So you will learn this all hard words. You will write in your copies and learn nicely. Now we are going to the next section. So now it is vocabulary section. So here it is asking, complete each of the sentences below using one of the following words. Here some words are mentioned, 10 words are there, and after 10 words there 10 fill in the blanks will be there. So what it is asking question, complete each of the sentences below using one of the following words. Using one of the following words we are going to fill in the blanks. So let's begin the class. Let's understand. So here some words are there. What are the words are given here? The words are selflessly. So already I have explained you the meaning of selflessly. Yes or no? The meaning of selflessly is that in selfless manner. Okay, just now we have discussed. Okay, so that vocabulary it is given, that in selfless manner, that is called the selflessly. Next is the loyalty. Loyalty means the person who is loyal. Okay, that is the loyal, and it is here asking loyalty. Next one is the accomplished. Already I have explained you. Accomplished means affected or showing a skill, anything. Sorrow means pain, not happy moment. Presence means in the present. Okay, meaning of presence is that already you are knowing that condition of being present is called presence. Avoid. Next word is gratitude. Already I have explained you gratitude. Disagreeable also I have explained, and convinced, and then sincere. So now we are going to fill in the blanks with one of the above words. So first one, it is given, often during prayer we feel to be in the dash of God. So what will be here coming? Often during prayer we feel to be in the presence of God. So here the word will come presence. So first you will write presence, presence. Okay, so you may write here this word like this. Okay, Presence. Okay, like that you will write. Now the next word, it is with no desire for a reward. She dash assisted her neighbor. With no desire, with no desire of a reward, she selflessly assisted her neighbor. So here it will coming selflessly. Okay, so you will write SELF SELFLESSLY, selflessly. Okay, now third word, it is given, we all feel dash when we see the suffering of people around us. So what you feel? So here third one will be sorrow. We feel sorrow. Okay, SORROW, sorrow. Okay, in this manner you will fill in the blanks. Now the next page it is given fourth number. She studied, learned and became a very dash person. So the answer will be, she studied, learned and became a very accomplished person. So here it will be fourth one, accomplished. Okay, so you may write here accomplished, ACCOMPLISHED, accomplished. So first one, fourth number will come accomplished. Now fifth number, because of her love of her children, she carried out with joy even the most dash task. Because of love of her children, okay, she carried out with joy even the most disagreeable task. Most disagreeable task. Disagreeable. Wait, I'm erasing first. Okay, I'm erasing first. Most disagreeable. So it will become disagreeable. Okay, disagreeable. So in this manner you will write fifth number, disagreeable. Sixth number, friendship requires. Sixth number, what will be that? Friendship requires loyalty. So here the word will come loyalty. Okay, the word will come here, next word it will come loyalty. So you will write here loyalty. LOYALTY, loyalty. 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 Now the next word is that Ivan could not remember with dash the sacrifice his parents made to educate him. So seventh number it will be gratitude. Okay, seventh number it will be gratitude. So you will write here gratitude. GRATITUDE. Okay, so gratitude. Ivan could only remember with gratitude the sacrifice his parents made to educate him. Okay. Now the next page, 8th number, it is given, if you are in a hurry, you should dash going through the marketplace. So avoid will be there. If you are in hurry, you should avoid. AVOID. It will be coming avoid. It will be coming avoid. Okay, avoid. Ninth number, he is a dash friend, one with whom I can share my thoughts. So ninth number it will be sincere. He is a sincere friend. Okay, so you will write here sincere. So I am erasing first. So you will write here sincere. SINCERE, sincere. And last one, I do not want to attend the meeting, but I am glad that he convinced me to go. So here it will be convinced. CONVINCED, convinced. Okay, so in this manner you will complete, no problem. Okay, now we are coming to the discussion part. So what is it given for the discussion? For the discussion question, here it is given, what is the difference between sorrow and bitterness? Okay, so we will discuss in the class what is the difference between the sorrow and bitterness. Okay, according to my understanding, that sorrow, like something happens, then that what is coming, sorrow is coming. And bitterness, what is bitterness? Like if someone will cheat you or do something, then your heart will become bitter. Okay, it is called the bitterness. So we will discuss in the class nicely what the difference between sorrow and bitterness. Now here next it is given memorization. Here is one quotation you have to memorize. The quotation it is given, to express his gratitude for the favor of God, man must show forth praiseworthy actions. What does it mean? In this quotation it is saying to express his gratitude. Whose gratitude? God's gratitude. And already I have explained you what is the meaning of gratitude. The meaning of gratitude is that a state of being grateful. Means we are that state of being grateful. To express his gratitude, if you want that we want to express that his gratitude, his means God's gratitude for the favor of God, man must show forth praiseworthy actions. So what man should do? Man should always do the praiseworthy actions. What is praiseworthy? Those actions we should do to say thanks to God. Okay, in the gratitude of God, what we should do? We should do the praiseworthy actions, and we should not do those actions which is not praiseworthy, which is not for us. Okay, so this is here given quotation. So everyone will write this quotation in your copy and learn. Okay, so now our lesson is coming to the end. So today's assignment, read lesson 7 nicely and try to understand again. Complete the fill in the blanks of lesson 7 in your book. In book only the fill in the blanks just now we have discussed you will complete. Write and memorize the quotation of lesson number 7. You will write the quotation of lesson number 7 and learn. Okay. So this is all for today's class. Thank you students. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.